What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcos, and today we got a new monitor, a new gaming monitor for the office or on the go, so that we can stream, so we can have two monitors to stream on here. So here's my setup, and here's my new game monitor. So it's the 24GL600F. I got it from Amazon, and we're gonna try it out. All right, sorry about that. So I don't know what I did to my tripod, but I freaking lost it. I couldn't find it right now, so I had to put the phone on the edge. I'm using my handy dandy keys to unbox this bad boy. So let's see what's in here. So all right, so here's the box. Let's see. All right, so what's in the box? So I don't know what this is. Looks like a stand. Well, it's probably for the stand. So it looks like this is the stand. So that's the stand for the TV. We got an outlet. We got an HDMI cable, a CD, some screws, maybe another piece for the stand, some screws, another piece for the stand. I need a bigger desk, but let's see what the screen's all about. Let's see. So here it is. It's supposed to be a gaming monitor, so not bad. Let me put this away so I can get rid of the box. There we go. Alright, so here's the back of the monitor, front of the monitor. Very cool. Let me see if I can build this real quick. We want to see what it's all about. All right. So I have a mess in my room. So it looks like you screw this one and this one together right here, and then this one goes right here on the monitor right here. So we need a screwdriver so we can screw this into it real quick. And then you got a cover to cover the screws right here on top. So pretty cool, looks really good. Let me screw this together and I'll be right back. This is the model LG. It looks like 179 on Amazon, but I had points, so I only paid like $100, 90 bucks after points on the credit card. So we got to put a screw here, and we got to put a screw here. So there we go. And this little cap covers the screws right there. And that's my Facebook channel for gaming. We got two HDMI ports. Let's plug it in. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. I unplugged this one right now for now because I need to rearrange all the cables, fix all of that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's the new LG gaming. It's 144 hertz 1 ms and stuff like that for the speed. But it's pretty awesome. A little bit of the graphics. All right, guys, so that was a quick unboxing of this new display. It looks beautiful. Here's the model. I just got it 2 days ago, or today I got it delivered. So pretty much just did an unboxing of it, and that's my name, Marcos. That's my channel. Pretty much we do unboxings of all stuff we buy, sell, and things that I buy for myself and I try out. So support the channel by subscribing. Thanks for your time. Have a good one.